goodness, y'all, it is so nice out here. I cannot wait till we get our grass cut. It's gonna be beautiful. Thank y'all so much for telling me what those flowers are. Artisan, is that right? Y'all just keep me straight now. Y'all keep me straight. This bird feeder that I thrifted, y'all, the birds love this bird feeder so much. That's the best, what, $2.99 I spent? Flowers are doing amazing. I think, y'all, fingers crossed, our squash might come back. It looks better than it did the other day. We'll see. We will see. Beautiful flowers. This grass needs to get cut. Look how pretty the sky is. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So, it's a beautiful, beautiful day here. Loving it. Loving it. Got my rugs drying on the bench. Washed those, got them drying. All the laundry's caught up finally. So, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. It's beautiful out here. So, I'm about to flip this cow for my mama. I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see that iridescent sheen it has to it? We are going to do the same technique on this that I did on her rooster lamp. You can really see the iridescent one. I don't know if y'all can. Anyway, I like to use this flat gray primer as a base coat. So I'm going to spray paint it, let it dry, and then we'll do the other steps. It won't take it long. The sun's really hot today, so I'm just going to spray paint it real quick and move on to the next step. Step 1, let it dry. So I've got this piece right here, and I think it will sell better if it is done into make it look like a brass. So I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum metallic in champagne bronze, and I'm going to paint it, and then I'll put it in my booth. I've had this for years. Delana had it for a while, and she didn't want it anymore, so I'm going to put it in the booth and see if somebody else can give it some love. This thing is a game changer, y'all. I'm telling you. Highly recommend it. Makes spray painting so much easier. Dry, flip it over, spray the other side, call it good. These have not sold, and I think a lot of it is the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint one navy and one red. I'm going to do my antiquing to make it look old, and either I will find a place for them or I'll put them back in my booth to see if they sell, but I'm going to try that and we'll see. Because they haven't sold like this, and I think they're adorable. So I'm going to use, for the blue, I'm going to use this Folk Art Navy Blue, how original. And then I have this red, it's True Red by this. I don't know, this is some my mother gave me. And then of course my wax, I will use this. So paint this one red, this one navy, and see how it looks.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it, yeah.
have to do to get your rug to lay flat. I tried the ice a bit, where you put ice where it's like curling up, and it made it curl up worse. So while it's still damp from all the ice, I've got my iron, my door holder, and then I went and got this out of the garage. And hopefully this is going to help my rug to stay flat. To be continued. Okay, y'all. Y'all not gonna believe what I got. So I had no intentions of going to the thrift store today, but something was nagging at me. And so I kept trying to keep myself busy and, you know, but I went, and you will not believe what I found. Oh my gosh. So first things first, I got 5 panels like this, just straight panels, and 5 valances. Let's see. I'm trying to see if that's the front or the back. Yeah, that's the front. 5 valances like this for $11.49. I have been wanting something like this in my living room for summertime and have never been able to find it, so that's why I went with a drop cloth. I love these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep 2 panels and probably a valance, maybe 2 valances. I'm going to swap out the valances in my kitchen to coordinate with the panels in my living room, and then I can sell the others. So I picked that up. I was just blown away, but it don't stop there. It don't stop there. So I had been eyeing this for a while there, and I didn't ever pick it up because it didn't have a price on it. So I was like, I'm just not going to get it because it would just be, that'd be the only thing I had in my buggy, yada, yada, yada. It's just a little box, nothing special. Nothing special at all, but I just love this little box. These make great risers. I got this for $1. So I was thinking Delana. That's what I was thinking. Okay. Then I found this, which I'm going to tweak it just a smidge and put it in my room. Look at this. This is called the Shepherd's Daughter. And I'm just going to go over it with some wax just to kind of age it a little bit. And I'm going to put this in my room, probably in my cabinet. But I just thought it was beautiful. And I paid $2.99 for that. It was just, it's perfect. I don't know what he's barking at. And then the last treasure that I found was this. And I had to get it. It needs to be cleaned. It's really, Buster! It's really dirty. But I think I'm going to put this on my bookcase. I think I have a spot for it. I have one similar to it up here. But I think this one is going to go on my bookcase. And I just love it. And it was $2.99. So I got all of this for $19. And let me see, was anything on sale? Oh, I got this for, so basically, I got this for 69 cents because it was on clearance. I guess he did rung it up clearance. And then the other 2 things were $2.99, and then the curtains were $11.49. Those curtains, oh my gosh. I even had my tape measure out, and then I pulled out a regular length one, and I'm like, ugh, I think this is going to work. So, I'm going to get to work on these items, get them styled. I probably won't have them in this video because I got to wash my curtains and get them put up. But I will show you what I'm going to do. But it's just not perfect for my room. I guess that's why I have this nagging feeling. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me go get my curtains washed real quick. So I was thinking about like taking a valance and putting it over the curtain when I do the clips, but I'm wondering if the valance is too long, but I was thinking about doing that, but I guess I want to do the panels, and then I'm going to do a valance in my kitchen. So let me get busy. I'm so excited. So that's a lot of doggone curtains for $11. A lot of curtains. I don't know what brand they are. I have no idea. Machine wash, cold water, delicate cycle, mild detergent. Yeah. All right, let me get them washed. Okay, I had no idea that I was gonna get these washed, dried, and put up, but I did, and I love them. Oh! Y'all, this is what I've been wanting for this living room for the summer. I love the red and white gingham. I'll try to show y'all better at night, but I'm gonna show you where I put the valances in my dining room. So, but let me flip the camera around and see if y'all can see this, but if you can't, I'll try to show y'all tonight. Now Buster's in the chair over there sleeping, so, but I did put 2 panels per side. I like the fullness of it. I still have a whole set left, including a valance. I have 2 panels and a valance left. But I put 4 valances in my kitchen. But y'all want, I'm telling you, this one in the kitchen, I'm gonna have to change it because let me show you. Y'all see it? Do y'all see that? Oh, that's driving me a little bit cray-cray. So I'm gonna swap out one of those valances with a different one and see if I can get the red or the white to line up, because no, that I cannot have. But I did put my little rod back on my door, and I have 2 valances on it. I have 2 valances up there. And like I said, I'm fixing to change out one of them and see if I can get it to match up, because y'all, that's what my eye's drawn to every time. You see that? No, no. No, no. But see over here, it's fine. It's fine. So I'm just thinking one of those has got to go. Much better. Okay, 2 valances, and then I have this one left, and I have 2 panels left. And all I did was wash them on delicate. I did put a color catch sheet in there just to catch any color so it wouldn't run on the white. And it was pink when I took it out. So I did that, and then I just tumble dry on low. And I think them, once they hang there for a little while, they're gonna like work themselves out, but I love it. I just think it goes with the summer, the patriotic, and this is what I have been wanting in here for years, for the summer, and for the amount of curtains that I got for $11.49. You just can't beat it. So I'm very, very happy. This is my mama's cow, all done. She loves it, and it just looks like it's old and weathered, and I think it turned out great. So I did my base coat gray, rubbed Vaseline on it after the gray dried, and then I went over it with, I stippled on some cream color paint, and then I let that dry, then went over it with my wax and dabbed off. That's why I like the gray underneath. I've used black before, but it's just too harsh because I want a little bit of that coming through, like a weathered look. And then once I do all that, then I sprayed it with some polyacrylic matte and matte sealer, and that's what she looks like. And I love it. I think it looks so good, and she's so excited about it, and at the end of the day, that's all that matters, right? We're making the mama happy. Okay, I'm gonna show you where I styled the little lantern that I purchased. I haven't done anything with the little box yet. I'm gonna give that to Donna, I think. I'm gonna give that to her, but I'll show you what I did with the girl with the sheep. I did do wax over it and just wiped it off, and I already styled it in my bedroom. So let me go show y'all that. And this is where she's at. Let me turn this fan down. This fan blows so hard. But here she is. This is with the wax on her. And I just love that. And it just goes with all of my sheep stuff I have in here. And I love that it says, the bottom of it was the shepherd's daughter. Let me see if I can show you what the bottom says. It's Home Interiors, the shepherd's daughter. Y'all, I just love it So she is going to be right here. I've kind of turned her like that. And if you know, I mean, I have my sheep pictures, my sheep. I just love it. So she fits in very well in here. And then I'll see her every night as I lay in bed. And then I also have like this little platter up here with the sheep too. So it just all goes together. And then this is where I've put this little piece. I think it is adorable. I did move a frame from there. And the little pot that I had there, I just moved it. I'm gonna kill myself on this trying to straighten this rug out. Anyway, I put the little pot there, moved that picture down, and that's what that looks like. And that's what that looks like. And so the two candle holders I had there, I moved them to right here. And then the little red and blue book, I just put it right here to add a little height. And that's about it. Well, y'all, it has been a day. It's been a day that is just not, it's just been a day. I'm still like, ah! Anyway, thank y'all for hanging out with me on a typical day in my life where I'm just all over the place doing a little bit of everything. And I've got several things planned this week. I've got to go to my booth tomorrow. I got a few things I'm taking to that. I don't have any like stocked inventory that I can take, so I've got to go shopping. Going to Mobile on Wednesday for my 6-month checkup for my ears, where he has to clean them and take care of all that. It's a process. But that's in Mobile, so my mama's going to meet me. We're going to go to Mobile together. So after I do my appointment, then we're going to go to a couple thrift stores. So I'm going to try to bring y'all into some thrift stores in Mobile. And then the rest of the week, I really don't know, but I'm sure I'll be getting into something. I've got kind of a full calendar through the end of June. So there's going to be lots going on. So thank y'all for being here, for hanging out with me. Stay tuned at the end. I'm going to show you what all this looks like at night. So you hopefully can get a full view of my curtains. Can y'all tell I'm proud of my curtains? I just love when you can find something. I cannot tell you how many times I've looked at some like this on Amazon and just refused to pay the price because y'all know I'm a retail snob. But sometimes it pays off to be a retail snob. Anyway, thank y'all again for hanging out with me. I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.